juicy chicken breast covered in a silky, sweet lemon glaze makes this recipe for Sorrento Lemon Chicken an absolute delight. What's more, the whole thing takes less than 25 minutes, which makes it a cracking recipe for rustling up midweek when you're short of time.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome back to my Food for Fitness kitchen. Now, this recipe is so easy to make. You probably have all the ingredients already. It tastes delicious and it is really quick too. So in my opinion, what more could you want from a recipe? It's really nice paired with rice or maybe new potatoes or fresh greens or a simple side salad. It is really versatile. And remember, to recreate that holiday feel, make sure you eat it outside with some shorts and an optional glass of chilled white wine. Right. Let's go cook.
So the first thing we're going to do is make our delicious sauce, our glaze for the chicken. We're using chicken stock, some mixed herbs, some lemon zest to make it really lemony, along with a little bit of chili flakes. Now this is not a spicy recipe. This just gives it a nice little bit of background heat, along with the juice of 1 lemon. And then for the sweet factor, we're using honey. You could use brown sugar for this, but generally I prefer using honey when I'm cooking. Then you're going to mix all of that through so it is nicely combined and then set aside. We're going to pan fry the chicken breasts. Make sure you slice them down the middle so they're nice and thin, and that just helps them to cook quicker. And then heat some oil. I'm using olive oil on a medium to high temperature and use the largest frying pan you have. The reason for this is it gives a big surface area and allows the sauce to reduce down. Then season with finely ground black pepper. On your black pepper mill, the finely ground stuff is best for seasoning and the coarsely ground stuff is best for garnishing at the end of meal. So fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't need to be fully cooked through at this stage because that complete cooking process will happen once we add the sauce. Also at this point in the recipe, if you're enjoying it so far, please do hit that like button. It's not to do with my ego, it just means this video will be seen by more people. Then you're going to deglaze the pan with 50 ml of booze. I am using Madeira for this, but you could use rum or whiskey or brandy. Deglaze just means essentially get all the nice burnt bits off the bottom and burn off the alcohol, so just for like a minute or so. Then add the sauce into the pan, make sure that the chicken is all coated with it, and then finish off the cooking of the chicken. It should take 8 to 10 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees and the sauce is really, really reduced down and thickened up, so it's super syrupy and like a glaze. And you just spoon it on top of the chicken and you can garnish with fresh parsley and some lemon wedges. Absolutely delicious.
So there we have it, delicious plate of Sorrento Lemon Chicken. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you get notified as soon as I post a new high protein recipe. Right, I'm off to go and eat this. As always, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this recipe and if you're going to cook it. I'll speak to you soon.